Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack. Today I'll be showing you how to connect Uphold to Brave browser. So to do this process, first things first is open up the Brave browser into your computer. Now once you are here guys, you can just simply go ahead and select this diamond icon over here on the Windows bar or the URL bar. And now from here, as you can see, you will have an option, start using Brave Rewards. So go ahead and click on this one. And now you can just simply select your region by clicking on this. And now from here, you will have multiple other options based on your preferences. So from here, for example, I'm going to go for United States and I'm just going to select continue. And from here, we are all set and select done. And from here, guys, you have to create an account in order for you to proceed with this. So select connect account. And from here, guys, as you can see, you will have the uphold option over here. So you just have to select login or sign up. And from here, guys, it will redirect you to the sign up or login page of the Uphold, and this way you should be able to connect your account. As you can see over here, that these two will be integrated, and this will be all of the data that is gonna be sharing. So from here, you're authorizing Uphold to transfer your personal data, allowing the application to have this data over here. So pretty much you can just simply select authorize. And now in order for you to proceed, just simply provide your email address and your password in order for you to connect your Uphold account to your Brave browser. And if you don't have an account or not a member yet, you just simply sign up now over here and just simply provide your number over here in order for you to proceed. But if you have an account, a code will be sent to you, and just simply check your email in order for you to proceed with this process. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.